Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to record your screen with system audio that is built in Windows 11. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to record your screen with system audio in your Windows, all you gotta do is simply use the snipping tool by pressing Windows plus Shift plus S, or the Xbox game bar by pressing Win plus G. So to use Snipping Tool, you need to switch to video mode. Select your area and ensure that your system audio is enabled before starting. So if you're using the game bar, simply open with Windows plus G and click the record button, or Windows plus Alt plus R, and make sure system audio is included in the capture settings. So by following this simple and easy method, you can simply record your screen with system audio that is built in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.